Welcome back Creative Minds, I am Tasiru. Today I have something really special in the store for all of you. In this video I am going to give in a premium Photoshop mockup pack. Yes, you heard it right, it's free. But before diving into the giveaway, I have to explain what is the mockup. The mockup file is a pre-designed template that allows you to showcase your designs, whether it's a website, app, logo or any other creative work in a visual appealing and professional manner. Now, the best part is that this is mockup file we are giving away today is premium one. This premium mockup file is designed to save time and effort. It's fully customizable and it's really easy to edit. You can change colors and you can add any image or video to this. You can add your own design and you can change the shadows. Okay, let's see how to customize a mockup file. Before going to it, subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, I'm gonna select a one mockup file and open it in Photoshop. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to customize this mockup file. You can customize any mockup file like this. Okay, now I double click on this layer and I open a new window. You can customize this. I customize this like this. Okay, now it is fine. Now I'm going to change the background color of this mockup file. Okay, this is fine. Now I'm going to customize a 3D text mockup in Photoshop. Let's check out how it is look like. I will select a mockup and I open it in Photoshop. Okay, this is also a premium quality mockup. Let's customize it. If you want, you can delete this text. Now I double click on this layer and I open a new window. You can customize this as you want. Okay, I'm going to change the text like this. Okay, fine. Remember, you have to save this window. Shortcut is Ctrl+S. Okay, I saved this and I opened the mockup again. Okay. If you found this helpful, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest content from our channel. I will see you in the next video.